special package from Belinda.
Hi, Belinda.
What does Belinda say?
Egg cups.
Belinda in the glass slipper. Is that your favorite?
Favorite place for you?
And you like Fred's
Food.
Fine Food.
Where's my food?
And what does Lola do? Lola becomes a hockey player. You know all of it. And what's Belinda's problem? Belinda has a big problem. Two big problems. Her
Right foot and left foot.
Her left foot and her right foot. Well, you got a special package from Belinda for your birthday. Let's take a peek. Who is it?
Open.
Who is it?
Open.
Who is this? I'll cut it.
I got it.
Do you know who this is?
Alina, my slipper.
Belinda in the glass slipper.
I love it.
Do you love it?
I love it.
Oh. Say thank you.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Belinda.
Down.
You can get down.